Daddy Pig's Words of Wisdom. Being a dad is as easy as eating chocolate cake. I would know. I am a bit of an expert at it after all. Here are my top tips on being one of the world's greatest dads. But Daddy, dinner's ready. Daddy, the sun is up. Firstly, us dads always like to get up bright and early, ready for a fun-filled day with the little ones. It's best to leave breakfast to us. We'll show everyone how it's done and make them smile. Entertaining the children is a doddle. We can do it standing on one leg. Wake up, Daddy! Or even lying down. When it comes to DIY, everyone should stand back and watch us craftsmen at work. I don't think that's quite right, Daddy. And when it comes to going for a drive, there are 2 rules. Rule 1. A dad always looks like he knows what he's doing. Rule 2. A dad never admits he might be a bit lost. The great outdoors is the perfect place to display an expert dad's natural athletic ability. And his superb survival skills. I must say, sometimes even expert dads need to read the instructions. I think they're upside down, Daddy. But most things come naturally, like showing everyone how champions like to do things. We're a bit muddy, Daddy. Dads also do a great job of cleaning up. Finally, when it comes to bedtime, all dads have it all under control. Our expert story reading skills will send the little ones straight to sleep. Sometimes, even the greatest expert daddies need to take a little nap. Night-night, Daddy. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.